What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to password protect a Microsoft Word document. Let's get into it. Okay, so first of all you want to open your Word document. Mine is already open here, I'm just using a default template. Next you want to click on the File tab, and this will bring up this sidebar menu right here. And you want to click on the Info tab next. Here under the Info tab you'll be able to protect your document. So just click on Protect Document. Choose if you wanted to always open read only, if you want to encrypt it with a password, that's what we're doing in this video, or you can restrict editing or add a digital signature, or you can mark it as final, but we're going to encrypt it with a password. So here you can add a password, so I'm just going to do password, and you can create your own. Make sure you don't lose it because you will not be able to recover this file. And yeah, after you're finished, press OK. And then you're asked to re-enter the password. Press OK again. And now a password is required to open this document. So I've gone ahead and saved it, and I'm going to open it up, show you that it does have a password over it. And as you can see, you're asked to enter the password when it loads up. So if I put in the wrong password, it's incorrect, and Word will not open the document for you. So every time you use it, you'll be asked to put in a password, and if you do it correctly, it will open up for you. So that is it for this video. If this video did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you have any problems with this video, please leave a comment down below, and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from me, everybody. Peace out.